everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2 Minute Tips, and here we go. Get the clock started. So what I'm going to talk about today is how to merge records. And so we're going to find that in our tree, sometimes we get multiple people in our tree. I got this when I had a bunch of micro trees and I merged them all into one big tree. So we're going to pull up James Larkin McFarland's profile and give you an example of what happened. So I had James McFarland in 3 or 4 different trees, and it ended up merging these two Martha Youngs, and then right here there's 3 Maddies, and so they're all the same person. Okay, I'd already merged it all for Sarah Adeline because I was cleaning up my tree. But to remove this person, or to actually merge this, because he really was married to Martha Young, so I do want to keep her in here. So what you do is you click on this person and then click merge with duplicate. And what it'll do is it'll bring up the select duplicate people. These are possibles. Now you can type it in if they don't show up here. They'll typically show up here if they're an exact duplicate. Click on select, and it's going to tell you here's Martha Young, and click merge. And there you go. It'll actually merge those two together. So when we go back to James Larkin McFarland, now it'll be cleaned up and there will only be one Martha on his record. And we can do the same thing down here for Maddie. So because there's 3 Maddies, because it originally came from 3 trees, when I say merge with duplicate, it's actually going to bring me a couple of them. So I'm just going to select one to merge that. All right, we're going to just merge hers real quick. We might as well clean up the whole thing while we're doing this, right? So we're going to merge duplicate again, and there's one more. We know it's the same one, and we're going to merge that. So we actually took both Marthas and all 3 Maddies and combined them together. So now when we go to James Larkin McFarland and we're looking at his tree, because we've merged those and all those orphan branches will now be connected. There's only one Martha and one Maddie. There we go. That's today's 2 Minute Tips. Hope you found it useful.